Just installed the misters on part 2 of growing our own food. I gotta say, it's looking like a much better solution. The mist might be a little tough to see on camera, and this is part 2 to my first video where this system quite literally blew itself apart. And now, maybe just with a few little tweaks, I've got just zip tied off this mister line. And the main reason that I think that these misters are gonna work a lot better is because this is such a delicate process and such delicate soil. Before, I literally was having pooling occur, and that's obviously not ideal. We were out of town for 4 days, and these trays also have a self-watering feature, so we don't want to flood them and just have these seeds floating in water. So we needed something with less pressure. It wasn't going to tear itself apart, and it can provide consistent mist. So I'm setting this system up to run for 5 minutes a day, every day. And so far, I bought I think it was like a 20-foot line. It was 20 bucks on Amazon. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 misting heads. And for me, that looks like it's just about right for half of the greenhouse. And so I'm going to do the same exact thing on this side. And my goal is to keep more up on this top shelf that gets better sun exposure from our little piece of sky that we get here. And overall, I'm thinking that this is a much better system, much better solution, and so far seems to be much more reliable, and frankly just doing, I think, exactly what we want from just our seed germination greenhouse. So what do you think? Should we keep doing misters for these? Do you never touch that other system again? Do I use that other system for a raised garden bed if I can figure out the pressure thing, or maybe just buying a higher quality kit? What are you guys doing? What's working? Love to hear from you. Love to make this a conversation, because this channel is dedicated towards living off the land, which for us means producing our own power, growing our own food, finding our own water. And with the off-grid property, we've got our own solar powered well. And now I'm learning the skills of growing food and starting seed germination so that we can do raised garden beds and grow a lot of our own produce. If you like that kind of stuff, be sure to subscribe, and of course, always comment and make this a conversation and a community. My mission is self-reliance through sustainable living, and we're here to build a community. Click here to subscribe to be sure to get more awesome content for living off the land. And be sure to go in to enter for notifications. Click that bell, get notifications, and stay in tune. Subscribe, watch, and comment. Let's build a community. See you soon.